Welcome to Love Marketing AI. I'm going to show you how to create a video in under 5 minutes. First things first is, if you haven't done so already, go to account and click on brand profile. Over here you'll fill in information about your business, the products you offer. So you'll see we have products here. These often come up in a drop down in our questions, customers, and also your brand. So in this case, which English do you speak? It's like more about the accent. So it's Australian English, British English, or American English. You'll see in a moment why. Go back to the dashboard, under create content, click create video. The first step is, what's the purpose of this video? We've got a few options here that covers most purposes in a business. And then we also have, I already know what I want. So if you know what you want, just click on that. So for this exercise, we can click show product showcase, and continue. Now over here you'll see it's got products, and those are the products that we had from the brand profile. So we add it there, or you can just add it as you go. And at the bottom here, you can either not use a product image, upload one, or get one from the brand profile. We're going to upload a new one here. Click continue. AI then automatically creates a message about what the video is about, who or what's in the video, where is it happening, and what is happening. Always read this and see that it is exactly what you want, or if it makes sense to do. If you're happy with it, you click continue, and we move on to the style. Usually click on the surreal because that's good for products. And then over here you'll see it is friendly, and the Australian English under the settings is because it collected that from the brand profile earlier. If you use 15-second video, it will be 2 video credits, so keep that in mind. The visual customization and camera settings have been pre-selected already based on your options earlier. You can highlight the eye there and get some more information. With audio, you can have no audio, voiceover, or music. So if you click on music, you'll see there's instrumental only, and then you can select all these other options here. If you want to hear what it sounds like, you always click on the play button. It takes a couple of seconds to click off, and then you can hear what it's about. So here with voiceover, if you select female, you'll see over here it's got the Australian flag, and that's because our English was selected as Australian English. And then you can have on-screen text. When you click on that, you're ready to go. Click generate video. That can take 2 to 5 minutes depending on how complex the video is going to. So let's click generate video. Alright, here's the video that was generated. Play.
Tired as the afternoon slump? Meet Evoke Ketones. 1 scoop, crystal clear water, and boom! Instant energy and laser focus without the jitters. Feel the difference.
Alright, so you can then download it or save it. So if you save it, it will save it under your content library, under videos, and you'll see it show up over here. It takes a few seconds to render. So here it is. What you can do is, if you want, you can click repurpose, and then you can convert that into, use it as a AI social video, depending on how many options you click. So if you say 2 or 3, and you say 2, just that size, a different size, you get charged different credits. Okay, you can convert it into a blog or an email. But that's it. Nice and easy, 5 minutes to create a professional video.